after the Maasai tribe in Africa, where their species is commonly found here. That's in eastern parts of Kenya and Tanzania. There's another giraffe over here to our left.
Look. Look. Look at the giraffe. Look.
Oh, give me that. Give me that. Got it.
Sick.
Up ahead in a moment, we'll be passing by an area on our left where we might get to see some monkeys. Mandrill monkeys, to be specific. Now, mandrills are the largest species of monkey. Males can reach weights of around 100 pounds. Both male and female mandrills will have a very distinct blue and red coloration to their faces. They are a little bit more on the shy side, so they may or may not be where they're visible.